Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix ISMF errors or something like that when you download any game on your Epic Games, or you're facing the problem of writing issue, like your Epic Games launcher is not allowed to write any file. Now, in order to fix all of that, all you need to do is to just simply first of all close your Epic Games launcher completely. Once you close it, now go to the Epic Games launcher icon, and when from where you start the Epic Games launcher, just simply right click over there and make sure to run it as administrator. Now, once you do it and you go back to your Epic Games launcher and start downloading the files, it will definitely gonna solve all your issues. The problem is occurring because your Epic Games launcher have not enough permissions to write the files. So once you do all of this process, you'll definitely gonna solve your problem.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.